When you think about meditation, you think about a monk sitting in isolation on a hard stone floor wearing a reddish brown uniform with his eyes closed, absolutely still. Even if you have never tried meditation yourself, you could tell that the monk is at peace. He doesn't seem worried or stressed, he seems in control. And that's exactly why you're probably here. You want to do that, you want to be at peace. You want your stress levels to be in control. You want to be calmer and you want to be better. Well, let me take you there. How to meditate daily at home. Find a place to sit that feels calm and quiet to you. Next, set a time limit. If you're just beginning, it can help you to choose a short time, such as 5 or 10 minutes. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the floor. You can sit loosely, cross-legged, you can kneel, all are fine. Just make sure you're stable and in a position you can stay in for a while. Start feeling your breath. Follow sensation of your breath as it goes in and as it goes out. Notice when your mind has wandered. Your attention will leave the breath and wander to other places. When you get around to noticing that your mind has wandered in a few seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, simply return your attention to the breath. Be kind to your wandering mind. Don't judge yourself or observe over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back. Close your practice with kindness. When you're ready, gently lift your gaze. Take a moment and notice any sounds in the environment. Notice how your body feels right now. Notice your thoughts and emotions. That's it. That's the practice. You go away, you come back, and you try to do it as kindly as possible.